Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Today, I want to share something very important with you. It is about believing in yourself. Many people give up on their dreams because they think they are not good enough. But the truth is, you are stronger than you think. Take a deep breath. Say to yourself, I can do this. I will not give up. Let me tell you a story. There was once a man who wanted to climb a tall mountain. Everyone told him, you cannot do it. It's too hard. But he believed in himself. He climbed slowly, step by step. He fell many times, but he stood up again. Finally, he reached the top. The lesson is simple. If you believe in yourself, you can achieve more than you imagine. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. I can achieve my goals. Step by step, I will get there. Do you know what successful people have in common? They make mistakes. Yes, they fail many times. Think about Thomas Edison, the man who invented the light bulb. He failed thousands of times before he succeeded. But he said, I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that do not work. So, do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are not the end. Mistakes are teachers. Repeat after me. Mistakes help me grow. Every mistake is a lesson. I learn, I improve, I succeed. Many people feel sad because they compare themselves to others. Maybe you see someone speaking English very fluently, and you feel small. But remember this. Do not compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yourself. Are you better than yesterday? Did you learn one new word today? Did you practice speaking for 5 minutes? If yes, then you are improving. Repeat after me. I grow every day. I do not compare myself to others. I am better than yesterday. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls again and again. But the baby never says, I give up. The baby keeps trying until one day it walks. You can do the same with English, with your goals, with your dreams. Fall, get up, try again. Practice speaking. I will not give up. I will stand up again. I will reach my goal. Here are 3 daily practices for you. 1. Every morning, say one positive sentence to yourself. For example, I am learning. I am growing. 2. Every day, practice English, even for just 10 minutes. Small steps create big results. 3. Every night, write down one thing you are proud of. It can be very small, like, I learned a new phrase today. Repeat after me. Small steps lead to big success. I am proud of my progress. I believe in my journey. My friend, remember this. You are stronger than your fears. You are greater than your doubts. You are capable of more than you know. So today, promise yourself, I will believe in myself. I will keep going. I will never give up. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, keep growing, and always remember, your future is bright. See you in the next video.